Want to live longer? Here's what you do. Three years ago, my mom was diagnosed with cancer, and a year later, she passed away. And I have small kids. Hayden is 7, Amelia is about to be 4, and they won't really remember her, and that breaks my heart. Once that happened, I told myself that I want to be there for my grandchildren. I want to live a long, healthy life. So essentially, I decided that I want to increase my longevity, but not only longevity, but also my health span. So meaning like I want to be strong and able as long as possible. So how do you do it? First of all, you need to figure out what stops you from, what keeps people from living a long life. And actually, if you're a grown person and you're not a smoker, there's a 70 to 80% chance that you'll die one of 4 things. There's cancer, heart disease, stroke, and a neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's. And the prevention for all these 4 diseases is the same. It's don't eat refined carbs, minimize sugar. Don't be overweight, the cause of most problems in your life. Eat mainly veggies and protein, especially a lot of fatty fish, and exercise like 3 hours a week. 3 years ago, I wasn't doing any of that stuff. Now I am, because you have a goal and then you optimize for that goal, and this is optimization. So if you would like to live a long, healthy life, do that.